You're using Papa's pencil, right? A big boy.
I'll give you the golf pencil.
Okay, thank you.
Because this one got shorter.
Okay.
Look. Just look.
Okay.
Look.
6. Go ahead. Can you do that? Can you actually write a 6? Let's see.
The little bit, Mr. Bumble.
Boom. That was a good one. All right, another one. You gotta do.
Look at here.
Yeah, that's fine. You gotta do a couple more 6s.
One more. Okay, one more.
One more. Take your time. Don't rush.
Boom, boom.
That's all right. Boom.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Bing! Good job. Hurry up so we can get to our project. Come on. Come on. Let's finish up so we can do our project.
Oh, that's really good.
Excellent.
Beautiful 7s. Right?
Those are beautiful 7s.